Good morning students. Now I will teach you how to connect DC motor with a DP-DT switch, double pole double throw switch, to change the direction of the motor, means clockwise and anti-clockwise. By using single switch we can move the motor either way. It is very much helpful to make toy car project. So for this I have taken a stepper motor and with wheel, caster wheel, this motor. It cost around 200 rupees. Okay, and this one 150 RPM. This is wheel. I marked this one to know this one. This time motor takes more load. Okay, so then I have taken. So this is motor. Now I have taken the DP-DT switch. It has 6 contact point, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 contact point, and in both direction it will work, and 9 volt power supply with battery holder or clamp, and tool, screwdriver, cutter, wire cutter, insertion tape, and soft wire. Let us see the things. Now DC motor, it has 2 terminal. So let A and B are the 2 terminal of DC motor. I connected the wheel. Now the DP-DT switch, it has 6 terminals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And battery, it has 2 terminal, C and D. And now let us see how it works. See student, the DP-DT switch rear terminal. So this is a rear terminal. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to connect 1 and 6. 1 and 6. So this is 1. So we'll connect this one, this upper side. And with this red with, you have to connect 6, this one, this to this corner. So these 2 will be connected. Now 4 to 3. So this one 4, black is 4, and 3. These 3 are connected. These 2 are connected. 4 and connected. Okay. So 1 and 6 and 4, 3, 4 connected. Now 1 is connected with A. So 1. So this is 1. 1 means red. This red. Red is connected with A. A is the positive terminal of the motor. Connected. Now the 4 is connected with B. So 4, that means 4, this is black, this one connected with B. So you have to solder, but I'm just connecting. Now 2 is connected, middle point, 2 is connected to positive terminal. This is the positive terminal to C. So middle, you see the middle, this on the middle, this one's the middle, this 2 middle. So connected with this one, and D is connected to 5. So connection is over. Now by pressing the switch, same switch, so I'm taking this side. Now see student, I'm pressing like this. When I press this side, So it is very useful for making toy car. By this way, by using the single switch, you can operate the wheel of the car, both clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. Now we'll study the circuit. Now see student, see. Now see, when we press the switch in upward direction, what happens? The middle connection connected with the upper one. So upper one, then they both are connected and this one disconnected. So current flows from C to 2, C to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to A to B, B to 4, 4 to 5 and 5 to D. So it moves in clockwise direction. When I press or we press the back side, okay, so at the time what happens? The 2, 3 connected and 5, 6 connected. So current moves in C to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to B, B to A to 1, 1 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to D. So what happens? The positive terminal of the battery connect with the negative terminal of the motor. So it moves in anti-clockwise direction. So again I'm telling student to see, when I press in upside, 2 and 1, 5 and 4 connected. So what happens? See, C to 2, C to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to A to B, B to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to D, and circuit completes and positive supply got the positive terminal of the motor. So C is connected with the A. That is what motor moves in clockwise direction, or car wheel moves in clockwise direction. When I press or we press the other side, then what happens? 2 is connected to 3. So what happens? You see, C to 2 current flows, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to B, B to A to 1, 1 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to D, and circuit completes. So what happens? The positive terminal connected with the negative terminal of the motor. So anti-clockwise moves. The wheel moves in anti-clockwise direction, means backward direction, reverse direction. So by this way, we can use the switch to operate the car in both forward and reverse direction, and very useful in this project. You can make several motor, robots and everything, and we can use 2 DP switch to control 4 wheels, so that both the hand you can operate. Thank you.